Plant FAQs, Philodendron Sharoniae. Philodendron Sharoniae, unveiling the beauty and care of this enchanting climber. Hi, I'm Vu, and I'm here to introduce you to the captivating Philodendron Sharoniae. This stunning vine, with its elongated, pleated leaves, is a true conversation starter for any plant enthusiast. But beyond its beauty lies a surprisingly easygoing nature, making it a perfect choice for both seasoned plant parents and curious beginners. Before we delve into its care specifics, let's address some of the most common questions surrounding this unique philodendron. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron Sharoniae? The Philodendron Sharoniae is a climbing aroid, native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. It boasts captivating, elongated leaves that can reach up to 3 feet in length. Philodendron Sharoniae versus Tenue. The Sharoniae stole my heart first with its long, slender leaves. They shimmer this beautiful emerald green, and some even have a subtle wave to them. It's a delicate vine, and I find myself constantly fussing over it, making sure it has the perfect amount of indirect light. It grows a bit slower than Philodendron Tenue, but that just gives me more time to admire its elegance. The Tenue, on the other hand, is a real powerhouse. Its leaves are wider and rounder than the Sharoniae's, with this rich, almost velvety texture. This climber grows like crazy, constantly putting out new shoots that I have to train on its moss pole. It seems a lot more forgiving of my forgetfulness. If I skip a watering here or there, it doesn't seem to mind as much as the Sharoniae. Both are stunning plants, but for different reasons. The Sharoniae is the graceful ballerina, while the Tenue is the energetic jungle explorer. Both the Philodendron Sharoniae and the Philodendron Birkin are stunning climbers with vibrant foliage. However, there are some key differences to consider. Here's a quick breakdown. Leaves. Sharoniae, elongated, pleated, vibrant green. Birkin, heart-shaped, variegated, green and cream. Growth habit. Both are climbers, but the Birkin may grow at a faster rate. Light. Both prefer bright, indirect light. Water. Both need moderate watering, allowing the top inch of soil to dry between waterings. Is Philodendron Sharoniae easy to care for? Absolutely. This philodendron is known for its adaptability. As long as you provide it with the basic necessities, bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and moderate watering, it will thrive. Light. Your Philodendron Sharoniae thrives in bright, indirect light. Think about an east-facing window or a spot that receives dappled sunlight throughout the day. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. If natural light is limited, consider supplementing with grow lights to ensure your plant receives its daily dose of sunshine. Water. Here's the golden rule. Water deeply when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Let the excess water drain freely from the pot's drainage holes. Remember, underwatering is generally better than overwatering for this plant. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial for your Philodendron Sharoniae. A good option is a mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. This combination provides excellent drainage and aeration, preventing root rot. Humidity. While Philodendron Sharoniae can tolerate average household humidity levels, around 40 to 50%, it truly flourishes in higher humidity environments, around 60%. If your home tends to be dry, consider using a humidifier or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Fertilizer. During the spring and summer growing season, you can give your Philodendron Sharoniae a monthly dose of diluted houseplant fertilizer. Opt for a balanced fertilizer formulated for foliage plants. During the fall and winter, fertilizing can be reduced or stopped altogether. Support. As a climber, your Philodendron Sharoniae will appreciate a sturdy support structure to climb on. A moss pole, core pole, or trellis are all excellent options. Encourage aerial roots to attach to the support for optimal growth. Propagation. Propagating your Philodendron Sharoniae is a rewarding experience. You can achieve this through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least 1 node and plant it in a well-draining potting mix, ensuring the node is buried. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect light. With proper care, roots should develop within a few weeks. Common problems. Brown leaves. This can be a sign of underwatering, overwatering, or sunburn. Assess your watering habits and light conditions. Yellowing leaves. Older leaves naturally yellow and drop off. However, excessive yellowing could indicate nutrient deficiency or inadequate light. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can occasionally become a problem. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution as soon as you notice an infestation. Additional tips for a thriving Philodendron Sharoniae. Repotting. As your Philodendron Sharoniae grows, it may require repotting every 1 to 2 years. Choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the current one to prevent overwatering. Repotting in spring is generally recommended. Cleaning leaves. Regularly wipe down your Philodendron Sharoniae's leaves with a damp cloth to remove dust and improve air circulation. This also helps the plant absorb light more efficiently. Toxicity. Remember, Philodendron Sharoniae is toxic to humans and pets if ingested. Keep it out of reach of curious children and furry friends. Enhancing your indoor oasis with Philodendron Sharoniae. Philodendron Sharoniae's elegant, cascading vines make it a versatile plant for your home. Here are some creative ways to showcase its beauty. Hanging basket. Let the long, graceful vines cascade down from a hanging basket, adding a touch of vertical greenery to your space. Shelf climber. Train your Philodendron Sharoniae to climb a moss pole or trellis placed on a shelf for a dramatic display. Tabletop climber. A smaller Philodendron Sharoniae can grace your table with its vibrant foliage, adding a touch of life to your workspace. With its minimal needs and captivating appearance, the Philodendron Sharoniae is a true gem for any plant enthusiast. By following these simple care tips, you can nurture a healthy, thriving philodendron that will add a touch of elegance and life to your indoor space for years to come.